Correct. God bless you. Bros, you made me remember something. DJ, I know say you don't follow me. The only thing that made me respect this DJ. Now one show will be like say I go MC. Now this DJ not play for the show. When the DJ come they play music, he come play ritual music when they call Shoki. Now no say one room beside where for they do the birthday so. Now no say Papa picking the shop for them. As DJ play the Shoki put. Then the papa use the left hand take Shoki the ember go up. He can't use the right hand take Shoki pepper for eye. The pikin come dey tell her say papa boss ya but we be na. He say because mama me Shoki see me be na. Not be smart thing, many things dey happen for this life. Abeg, if you be girl for here say you dey wear boy short e no good. Stop her. What happen day before yesterday? One keke driver get accident. As people dey rush her, e dey holla she. When I reach there, now let me call it. I come bed, I come dey look everywhere. When I look on her, na one yellow girl wear boy short like us. Don't be smarty. That one na even smaller. Yesterday when I dey come from Port Harcourt because of this Kemu show, I come reach Shaki Point. Go slow home for Shaki Point. And one yellow girl wear boy short, they go for front. Hey, I say God. Hey, MC Jean, this is an opportunity to look the girl. As the girl dey go slow home. Now just press for my motor, I come dey look the girl. I dey look the girl. The next thing when I see, na soldier man that touch me for back. He say, Oga, now you get this motor. As officer, na me get the motor. He say, what be your name? I say, na me be MC Jean. He say, MC Jean. I say, yes, Oga. He say, okay, yeah, park where? Now park where? He say, you see that block where they there? I say, Oga, I see abo. He said, na 100 block like that. He said, transfer the block, go the other side. Cause the punishment. I not go fit argue because if I argue, I don't put myself for problem. I call the carry block. I don't carry 80 block. Like the soldier Oga call. He said, Musa. He said, you the craze? Kai, I don't know for that comedian why they call him for MC Jean. He said, what I go punish MC Jean? He said, sure. Una don't get sense. Hey, I say God. Hey, not your leader. I say thank you, God. Hey, I don't know say my son, my name big. Hey, now so my name big. I call the happy. All my minds are not free. Now God call me. He say MC Jean. I say sir. He said many plug the tell you say many transfer. I say oh God na 100 oh na 100. He said many you don't transfer. I say oh God na 80 I don't transfer. He said no. He said not transfer the block. He said return the 80 back. Don't be smarty. I don't know whether they add to my punishment or they come off my punishment. Don't be smarty. I beg, tell no they make a young hit the point, make they come out. What's the apple? I won't go show one day. Now my man say won't follow me, go show. And beside, now Windows meeting, I won't go MC. I can say, okay, mama, no problem. Follow me. Now follow me. Now we'll read the show. They call window number 1. How long your husband don't die? He go say na 6 years. They go give her 6 million. They call another widow number 2. How long your husband don't die? 10 years. They give her 10 million. Now so they call the old widows finish. They can't say anybody left. Nobody come out. As my mama say na money matter. They come out. Then the answer say, Madam, how long your husband don't die? He said that 25 years. Then they give her 25 million. And meanwhile, my papa they parlor they read newspaper. The thing cause big argument. Women when they know they call the argue, say na lie. Say that kind thing not the apple. Not be smart you know. They can't go my papa house. As a rich and then I narrate the whole story give my papa. As my papa hear money matter and I say, hey. He say what the person forget bad oh. He said, this woman, when I see for you now, he said, your husband don't die now 50 years. When I suppose give her 50 million. That one not even pay me. He can't return color that one again. He said, meanwhile, me when I see for you, I be husband to the widow. Anything for me. Don't be smarty. Don't be smarty. I say many things they happen for this life. I can't go Lagos. Last year, the place where they stand and face me and face you. Now that I not say this enough where you see so that they pass her. Where they die for there, I say, now once you go see somebody they snub, you go pass again the other person. The other person go take her. You go continue. You go pass again the other guy. The other guy go take her. You go continue. My uncle come from village and that my uncle na dead. As he wake and that way the snuff dem go wake. They come go make mistake one night. Now the guy come pass and give my uncle. Let my uncle take her. DJ waste na. DJ waste. My senior brother come go wake my uncle. As he say uncle, then they work, then they call you, he say, that be smarty. For only that copper, now you go see person, they go dark like this. You go hear somebody when they snuff, you go fix in a jail, you go just snuff. I say when we want sleep, we they go knock door. Now then your wife go come out. We tell her say, abeg madam, when I off na jail, we want sleep. Now the mother go tell her say, he say not be jail, no, now my husband let dey sleep. I say, okay, yeah, wake your husband. Neighbors they want sleep. If neighbors don't wake before your husband sleep. No be smarty.
Hey yo!
I don't know what. Many things dey happen. See me see wahala. For couple when I come go again, face me I face you. When I dey stay. You know say face me I face you when you wan cook food. For money you go carry your stove come out. You go come put am for the mud. You go inside house. As you dey cook food, if you wan take maggi, you go house. You go bring maggi, you go put am for food. You go enter bring pepper, you put am for food. One day I come go use my last hope. Take buy rice. I make way for that couple dem dey thief food. I come dey cook the rice. I come go inside room. Now bring maggi, now put her. I enter bring pepper, now put her. As I enter inside room, now carry curry. As I wan put her, now the guy wan thief the soup. Now I say, what? He say no dey like curry, no put curry for the rice. I say, sure. For my own rice when I dey cook, you wan press me. No be smarty. Na in Naija you go see say, for Naija you go just see somebody wey be like say, maybe for comedian like this, who be like say we be comedian. As we go show like this, we call like this, you just see comedian you go show call like this. As he call like this, go give mama 50,000. The mama get happy. You go show come again, give her 80,000. The mama go jump up. One day you go hear say the pikin don come. He say, mama, God don call me. He say I wan be pastor. Hey, now there you go see the mama don start. Hey, Peter. I know say God no call you, oh Peter. Now you flash God. Hey, I know say God no call you. But see how the pikin don be pastor. Small ten artist go better for am. He come one day give him mama 150,000. He come the second day, now give him mama khaki. Hey, now mama Allah. Hey, Peter. Hey, Peter. Now since why you dey 3 months for bed, I know say you go become pastor. So I know they make I just drop the last joke. Make I drop the last joke. This is hold up. I don't know why I don't notice one thing for this network. You get one thing that network they do where they make me the verse. Like they fall like say Urobo person not dey work for them. And me MC Jean, I be from Robo. Normally, when you call network people, when you want to talk to them, they go say for English, press 1. For Yoruba, press 2. Etekete Igbo, press Yoruba. Ekpoteke Igbo. Press English. They go press 5 like that. You go see say, girl will go answer you. You can't get one day, they don't start the thing again. I can't notice her. I can't share with Airtel. As I call them, that I want to talk to them. Now here, for English, press 1. For Yoruba, press 2. For Pidgin, press 3. Etekete Igbo, press 4. Otigbi Yoruba, press 5. Now the guy just say, hello, my name is Sita. Me want to carry the Buruwa. Ogo Robo we are now. Because you Robo Kebe. Now the guy say, because you have one war. Came up from South Ukojo.
Who let the dogs out?
Thank you very much. My name is Remy MC John, the master of comedy. Don't worry, when I go here more, time no day.
see me, break it, break it. See me,